Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be sharing with you today a very easy, simple, cheap way to do this DIY. So I hope you guys enjoy. All you're going to need is this little glass of your choice. You're going to need some gems of your choice. I chose the red and the diamond looking ones because it goes well with my kitchen decor and things. You're going to need some LED lights, little candle ones, and you're going to need some sand. And that's it, and everything I purchased right here is from the Dollar Tree. So right here, I was just deciding on if I wanted to use a little bit of sand or a lot of sand, and I decided to go with it about halfway. So this is what it looks like with about halfway filled with sand and very little sand. You can do it any way of your choice. Well, that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this very easy, cheap, simple DIY, and I hope you like and subscribe. And if you are subscribed, thank you for watching, and I will have more videos like this coming up.